Hey guys, welcome back. So I want to do the drawing for the winner of the contest we had in June, MCV Products. Winner gets these two kits and a $200 MCV Products gift certificate. So just get down to it. That's what you came here for. So I got the names and the trusty mixing bowl. Yeah, I know I need to upgrade, really. So I had Miss Heather cut all these out. So one of you guys, let's see, one of you guys is going to get picked. And I don't have a bag with me this time, so I guess I'll just have to turn my head and just reach in here and grab one. I do appreciate everybody who participated this month, and get these good and mixed up. Pull the name, and I'll go ahead and mail the model kits out to you, because obviously I have your address already. So, and then I will also email you the gift certificate code. All right, that's pretty good. All right, so here we go. Ready? All right, I'm gonna turn my back. Let's see. I got my back turned. I'm digging. I'm picking. What about that one? Okay, let's see. Greg Orndorff. Greg Orndorff. All right, Greg, you're the winner. That's a pretty good bit too. I don't know, there was hundreds in there, but anyway, yeah, Greg. Let's see. Congratulations, man. I've seen your name several times. So, uh-oh, there's somebody got stuck right here. I guess that fell off. But anyway, Greg Orndorff. I will absolutely get these shipped out to you tomorrow and on Monday. And I will email you the gift certificate. So guys, thank you so much for all you do for MCVProducts.net. I do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy these two kits and the stuff that you order. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for all your support. I just want to make this a quick video, so it's done. Thank you, Greg. Thank you to everyone else. I know the chances are kind of slim when there's a whole pile of names, but you know, that's how it is. But anyway, Heather said, Matthew, you should have done first, second, third, and that's a possibility next time. I'm not going to do it this coming month, but we'll do it again, and may do like first, second, third, or something like that. But anyway, once again, don't forget, as always, go check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description below. MCVProducts.net. Thanks to my Patreon members, and thank you to Greg congratulations to Greg for winning, and thank you to everyone else who has purchased stuff from MCVProducts.net. Thank you, guys. We'll see you later.